nagre-reflect sa
Kaya kasi,
plus siguro.
welcome to library, welcome to kaya kasi.
Magsapatos na ako.
Edit. Start up. Get jacket lang.
Lang ako
Ah?
mag-isa ko.
Ah. Magiman, hindi ko alam kung saan ako hahawak sa'yo dyan.
Ha?
Dyan. Saan ang stand ko dyan eh? Hello! Hello, hello, hello. Hello! Magdadrive po tayo ngayon mga kababayan ko. Kumusta po kayo lahat? Good evening. Punta po tayo ng market sa Dagupan City. Hello, Sans Memory Vlog. Hello, thank you for coming. This is the first time live ng Filipino Life Stories. I-visit kita later. Sans Memory Vlog. Punong-puno yung aking sasakyan. Galing po kami sa simbahan. Kanina sa Agoo, La Union. Binlag ko po yun kanina. Mga kababayan ko, kumusta po kayo lahat? God bless to all and tuloy-tuloy lamang po ang ating buhay. Kahit na anong hirap po natin, pagod, basta kasama natin ang Diyos. Kaya lang madilim po yan. Yan. Dami ko mga gamit. Sarap ko po mga kababayan ko. Yun, wala akong salamin. Pero I can still see. Picky Bunny, hello, good evening. And I will visit you later. For this time, this is the first time of Filipino Life Stories go to live vertical. First time to, and sometimes I don't know how to pin message. Okay, nice. Pin me please. Okay, LP, pin you. Pin it. Yes, Seasons Memory Vlog. Meron na to eh. Kaibigan na natin to, si Pak Bunny. My name is Joby. I will drive.
Wala akong gloves dyan. Sa side mo, tingnan mo nga sa side mo.
Naka-live na to. Meron na. Wala. Tignan mo sa kabila. My beloved will be go on motor. We will ride a motor. Cycle. Me, I will drive.
Lagi. No gloves.
And we will go to the market of the Gupan City. Where are you from? I'm here in Pangasinan, Philippines. I will visit you, Pak Bunny. Yes, of course, I will visit your channel. Yan yun.
Ayun, ano?
Oo. Helmet ko yan.
Okay, ano?
Oh, yes. That's my helmet. Paano kayo pag-message dito? Don't know. Chat filter. Because this is the first time. Let's go to live.
Yung headset mo naman. Oo.
Bakit ka pa mag-headset? Dyan lang tayo sa market.
Hindi, para hindi ko na-set up mamaya. Si-set up ko pa din.
Bakit ka na todo ano na eh? Pag-go na
Para-
tayo sa market, di ba?
Para ready na mamaya na pagkuhan,
Ay.
alisin ko lang yung helmet ko.
Go lang. Ano oras na? Alas 9 na. Marami nang tulog. We're still awake at this time. It's 9 o'clock
O, diretso na tayo.
in the evening. Yeah, it's better. Because it's already 9 o'clock. Let me hand my chocolate.
Mauna ka na ito. Sunod na ako sa'yo.
Huh?
Ha?
Yeah.
Diretso na ha.
Ha?
Diretso na.
Ikaw na ah. Magkanta nakalive to. We will drive to go home. Hello to Josh. Hello to Brother Josh. Welcome to Filipino Life Stories. It's the first time to go live. I'm going to drive at night. I just arrived from church, from Agoo, La Union, Philippines. From where are you, Mr. Josh and Pakbani? It's 9:23 for me. Yeah, it's 9:23. I will visit your channel. Do you have a channel? Yes, of course. Good night to you in your area. Yes. What time is it? Sometimes I don't see time anymore because every day is a day of work. And Sunday is a day for our beloved Jesus. Shout out to all. And shout out to all. Thank you very much for coming. I don't wear any sunglasses. Eyeglass. Not sun. Okay, we're going to drive, okay?
Okay naman, maunahan na.
Good morning. You have any kids? Yeah. No, it's not kids. This is the way. There. I already not kids anymore. It's adult. Yes, I have 4 sons. They're already adult. I drove daily on my work. Our work is we are a contracting business. We have a contracting business. Okay, what nationality are you? Mr. Brother Josh and Pakbani? I will visit your channel, Pakbani. Thank you very much. Yeah, I already pin you. This is Dagupan City, Philippines. Today is Sunday. This is the downtown area of Dagupan City. Dagupan City is a lot of commercial buildings here. It's a main business establishment. This is Dagupan City. You see the lights? Yeah. Still lights on during Christmas. Yeah, you like it? So pretty. This is the main downtown area. It's a business establishment. This is Pangasinan. Although this is Dagupan City, It's sa Pangasinan, Philippines. Thank you very much for visiting this channel. I created this channel because I dedicated to my fellow Filipinos and of course to all fellow people. You see, this is the market. It's a centralized market. It's a fish vendor, and the fish coming from western Pangasinan. That's our Filipino men, hard work. They are worker. They are owner of the fish delivered from western part of Pangasinan. And this is the main source of fish market. Yes, we also have a river here. On my next vlog, I will feature this. How long have you? Yeah, thank you very much, Pat Bunny. How long have you lived there? How long? High school. When I am in high school and college in Dagupan, we have a house in Alaminos, Dagupan, Mangaldan, and in the province of Bugalyon. When I get home, I will visit your channel. My husband rode in a motorcycle. We are a motorcycle enthusiasts. Big bikes. Can you see? We have a Nike factory store already. This is the diversion way to avoid traffic. Hello, this is the diversion way to our province. This is the diversion way, the Venetia Road. This is the first time of Filipino life stories to go live because I still don't know if what live and what topic I could be share with you all. Because I am working with my papers, I just wanted to work alone so I can concentrate on my work. And it's already 9 p.m. So I just think that how can if I will go live? This is the city, see? You look, all solar lights. What country are you? Pakbani. I never went there. Josh. We have a lots of business here. All franchise. Brand name. It's a Chinese owner. Most of the business here in the Philippines, in Pangasinan, are Chinese. Here in the Gupan, their nationality is Chinese. I even go to Chinese school. My school is Divine Word Academy. It's a Chinese school. Thank you very much for coming, Pakbani. When I get home, I will visit your channel. And to Brother Josh, this is the main road going to Binmalay. This is my daily work is to get the clients. Thank you very much for coming. My signal is fluctuate. Today is Sunday. We came from a Sunday Mass. And I vlog it. I will share. Of course, I will share. My niche on this channel is all about Catholic churches, about Filipino life stories, and about Philippines. This is my first Filipino life stories, the first channel. Filipino TV is the second channel. This is Binmaley, Pangasinan. The signal is poor. Hello. Almost drive every day looking for a client. Yeah. Life here is cool, but it's hard. Earning for a living is very hard. But of course, yes, I am a Catholic Christian. And my niche is all about Catholic. We're already here at the bridge. See? Oh, thank you very much, Brother Josh or Josh. This is the bridge of Binmaley, Pangasinan, Philippines. Camera is losing. Oh no. is my beloved husband. He's a motorcycle big bikes enthusiast and we are participating in any membership. Yes, to connect to the people so we could have a business. What's the emergency ambulance? Thank you very much. This is part of Lingayen, Pangasinan. Jesus, sa'yo ang buhay ko. Nagtitiwala sa iyo. Papupurihan ka, aawitan ka. This was trucking at this time. This the time of trucking to travel. That's bicycle. I don't listen to the radio. That's not cool. Bridge. The bridges. So dark here. This is the part of Lingayen. It's so dark here, right? Oh, I'm sleepy. Jesus, ewan ko. Trucking. Oh, that's my beloved. My beloved. Emergency. Emergency. That is police patrol. Oh. Ay, our government is like this. We'll experience a rough road. Life is like a rough road. Sometimes smooth, sometimes rough. But life must be continued. Trucking. Yeah, hello. Driving. My camera, I cannot fix my camera. ako, nandito ako sa labas. The bridge. It's a bridge. Okay. I experienced a long drive for almost 3 hours of driving. And I have nothing to worry because God is with us always. That's my lights. I should fix my camera. My eyes strain. Hello, shout out po sa lahat. Tulog na. Tulog na ang lahat. Shout out kay Beth QC, kay Atlas TV, P. Garcia, S-Rock, marami pa po tayong kaibigan. Boy Buko, Uncle Mix Barlag, marami. Empire State, hello to all. But I don't remember you all your name, but in my heart, of course, I remember you all. Thank you for subscribing and for supporting each other, of course. In my next vlog, I just want to share my vlog with I will schedule my first interview. And I will bring you all to the have you heard the spiritual healer? That will be my first ever interview with a faith healer. She's a female woman. She's a faith healer. Faith healer, and she's the what do you call this? I don't know what you call this. A Santo Niño with her image. I already set her schedule by next week. Any day, I will go on with her to interview. Actually, we're already here. You see? It's darker. God bless to all. We're sleeping. Good night to all. On our next live, I will set a schedule. I just wanted to meet you all to support. Thank you very much. Tulog na yung mga audience natin. Pag alas 10 na. Granta. Ay, pawilit, layman ka ka. Sayo, driving for almost 1 hour. Kaya tulog na yung mga kasama natin. Ready sleep. There. Oh, thank you very much for coming. When it's less 2 people. Thank you. God bless you all.